How to trim your video. Here we have a video of a horse walking on a partially submerged treadmill, and we can see that it has a lot of frames, around 2400 or so. We want to cut that down to just the number of frames we need for our particular analysis. Let's say that's 200 frames or so. And we want to choose that set of frames and then export a brand new video that is trimmed down to that new length. We can do that very easily in ProAnalyst. I'll click the stop button to stop the playback of the video, and I will navigate to the frame where I want the new video to start, let's say somewhere around here, and I can move the left blue bound to that point to indicate that that's where I want the new video to start, and then I can move forward a couple hundred frames and then move the right blue bound, and now I've defined the duration of the new video. Once I have this set and I make sure that this is the part of the video I want, I can go up to File, Save, and then I can choose to, for example, save this video to the desktop, and I can give it a name. I'll call it Trimmed. And then, very important, I need to change the save range here from Save Entire Range, which would just export a copy of the video as is, to Save Frames 949 to 1168. These numbers are being grabbed directly from the blue bounds, so these numbers indicate the endpoints of the new video. So now that I have all of these set, I can click Save. I can choose a codec. In this case, I'm going to choose no compression, so I'm going to export an uncompressed video. And when I click OK, it will begin the export process. Okay, now that our video has finished exporting, it will load up in ProAnalyst. So now the video you see here is the new trimmed video, and you can see that this one is only a couple hundred frames long, and it retains the frame numbers of the original. If you want to change that, you can of course click Set 0 Frame, and it'll reset, and we see that this one has 219 frames. And this video has been saved to the location we selected on the hard drive. So that is how you can trim your video using ProAnalyst.